Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I do hope you guys are having a great day or great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Desiree. It's nice to have you. And what I'm going to do is close out of my December 2nd paycheck for the month. So this is not accurate, but my tracker sheets are, which is what really counts to me. So let's go ahead and talk about it. This video will be very quick. So when it comes to the income, I did budget for $1,463.73. And what I'm going to do is zoom you all in, that way you can see. For offering, I did send my sister $168, which left me with $1,295.73 for the budgeted income. When it comes to State Farm, which is the rest of the money that I did owe to State Farm, got paid for $93.66. When it comes to January's rent, I did go ahead and pay $382.50, and that brought my total up to $476.16 with $819.57 left. When it comes to January bills, since I really don't know what my first paycheck would be for January, I decided to budget for January bills. So I went ahead and sent $239.56 to my checking account that I would typically use to pay bills with, and that left me with $580.01. $50.01 went to gas, since I did take that amount to fill up my car at Sam's Club. When it comes to food, I did budget for $180. Overall, I did spend $143, and I only have $4 left from this second paycheck. I take that back. I have $4 left from the second half of the second paycheck. The rest of the money is already in rollover, so I have $4 left from this week. When it comes to laundry, I did spend the entire $10, so I don't have anything left. When it comes to house, I did spend $9, and I do have $11 left. When it comes to spending, out of the $20, I only spent $5, and I had $15 left. When it comes to just in case, I budgeted for $40. I had the entire amount for $40 left. Here is all of the cash from my envelopes, including that old $10 bill, which I may decide to keep. So I have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $70 left. Now remember that $270 that was left from the last part of my paycheck when I went through and budgeted out. That amount did go to Travis' Christmas gift. So that's the reason you did not see that on here, but this is still a zero-based budget because all the cash was accounted for. So what I'm going to do is add the money to my rollover. I'm not really sure how much this is, but I may end up counting it off camera. Is that glitter? Can you all see that? Does it, like, that's crazy. Like, what happened to this $1 bill? Why do it have glitter on it? But what I'm going to do is count this off camera. That way I'll have a starting amount. And I'm just going to continue to add my rollover money to this, and I will eventually take it to the bank after my third paycheck is complete. I do hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, when it comes to groceries, I would have had $52 left for the second week. But since me and Travis was trying to rearrange some things to put my desk somewhere, I decided I want some seafood because I haven't had any in a long time, which caused me to have $4 left over. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this amount for what's left is actually right if you want to look at it as a hold. Now, I've been doing good with small amount of numbers, so I want to keep it that way. Bye.